Welcome to Mr. Brown's Basement, a channel devoted to sharing the craft of repairing, restoring, and modifying vintage electronic gear, and other random stuff.
I recently bought some new test leads because the ones I have are just beginning to wear out. They're not very well made, and I thought I would get some new ones. So for, I don't know, it was $7 or $8 or $10, I got 2 sets from Amazon. And I got to say, they are the worst quality test leads that I've seen in a very long time. Even worse than the ones I had before, which I'll probably keep because they're better than these.
To start, I'd like to examine how the alligator clips are attached to the wires.
They've taken the wire, trimmed it, bent it under, and then crimped it together. So it's not a very good connection. As soon as this gets warm and begins to deform and soften, this loosens, making the connection worse, which increases the resistance, which increases the heat. That causes the insulation to soften even more. Before you know it, it's hot, there's lots of resistance,
and these wires will want to pull out. Let's look at an old test lead that I got many years ago off eBay. It looks like it's the same construction, but there's a hidden secret. They're both about size AWG28. The old cables read 0 ohms on my meter because it isn't very accurate with low resistances. I'd estimate the resistance of the old cables to be about 0.1 ohms for the 20-inch cable. But when I tested the new cables, they measured about 1 ohm. As I said, my meter isn't very accurate with low resistances. The actual resistance is about 0.6 ohms. How can that be? It just can't be the crappy connections. The secret can be revealed with a highly specialized piece of equipment called a magnet. The wires in the new test cable are attracted to the magnet. That would make them some flexible alloy of iron, possibly wrought iron. Iron's resistivity is between 5 and 6 times that of copper.
And that's ridiculous, because iron has a much greater resistance per unit length and doesn't make very good wire.
Unfortunately, this is not something you can easily see in the pictures and not something that's mentioned anywhere in the product description. Who'd have known? I'm going to look for better cables. In the meantime, I'm going to refurbish my old cables and make them work a while longer, or maybe even make my own cables. For me, these are e-waste. If you're aware of a better product, go ahead and drop it into a comment. I hope you got something out of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.